Hello, my name is Melillos from Cyprus. I'm a researcher at the Cyprus University of Technology. I'm going to present you about EXCELSIOR, a European... Okay. I'm going to present you EXCELSIOR, a European Horizon 2020 teaming project for the establishment of a center of excellence in the Eastern Mediterranean for Earth surveillance and space monitoring of the environment. Here's the overview, project details, the idea behind, upgrade the existing group, EXCELSIOR vision, proposed activity in the Eastern Mediterranean and Middle East and North Africa. Here we can see EXCELSIOR details, funded under Aged 2020, pillar, spreading excellence and widening participation, work program year, Age 2020, 2016, 2017, work program part, spreading excellence and widening participation, call, Age 2020, widespread 2016 till 2017, topic, Age 2020, widespread April 2017, team phase 1, time of action, coordination and support action. Project number 763643. Proposal acronym EXCELSIOR. Total budget €4,000. Duration 12 months and 31st of August 2018. December 2018 we have the results. 35 million euros for the next 7 to 15 years, 15 million from the European Commission, 15 million from Cyprus government, 4 till 5 million from the university. EXCELSIOR Consortium, Cyprus University of Technology, German Aerospace Center, National Observatory of Athens, Leipzig Institute for Tropospheric Research, Ministry of Transportation, Communications and Works, Department of Electronic Communication, Cyprus. The idea behind to upgrade and further promote the existing remote sensing and environment group Eratosthenes Research Center, established with the Cyprus University of Technology into a sustainable, viable, and autonomous center of excellence for Earth survival and space-based monitoring of the environment, EXCELSIOR, which will provide highest quality of related services both on the national, European, and international levels. The long-term aim of the center is to create new opportunities for innovative groundbreaking research and promote Cyprus to the European research area in the field of systematic monitoring of environment using Earth observation, space, and ground-based integrated technologies. But what is Eratosthenes? Remote sensing and environment lab activities are collaboration with government departments, collaboration with industrial partners, provide practical solutions to several problems, promotion of Earth observation, space technologies, navigation, positioning to stakeholders, remote sensing Cyprus with SPIA International Conference 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, and now 2018. You are welcome to come to Cyprus. Participation with consortiums on European and international level, space course, Earth observation, environment, transport, security. Here are our group. And here you can see our buildings. We are located in Limassol in Cyprus. Our lab, which contains field spectrometers, underwater enclosure, sun photometers, software, ERTAS Imagine, Mapper, Apollo, ENVI, MapInfo, ArcGIS, calibration devices, one automatic CIME sun photometer, one GPR MALA and GPS, of course, NDVI camera, PM10, and LiDAR. Our resources, UAV systems, laser scanner, GPS, and digital cameras, which use near-infrared and thermal cameras, georandar, GIS, RS softwares. GNS receivers, one GNS reverse station, 8 Lega Viva GS15, 10 spectral precision mobile mapper, 2 Lega, 3 high-sensitive U-box valuation receivers, navigation system, laser scanners, and geodesic equipment. The Remote Sensing and Geoenvironment Group Eratosthenis Research Center is Copernicus Academy member and member of the European Association of the Remote Sensing Laboratories. ERCEL is a scientific network of European remote sensing institutes coming from both academia and the commercial industrial sector. The Copernicus Academy will connect the European universities, research institutes, business schools, both private and non-profit organizations, in the participant countries of the program and beyond. The Academy network will also work to increase the exchange of ideas and best practices across borders and disciplines, with contributed to the development of the use of Earth observation data in general and Copernicus data and information in particular in various public or private user organizations or industries. Our networks, NASA, ESA, ERCEL, SPI, Airline, Actris, GEO, and DLR. Cypriot collaborations, we collaborate with government and departments, such as Ministry of Communication, Ministry of Defense, etc. European collaboration, we collaborate with 300 universities, such as Imperial College London, University of Surrey, University College of London, Southampton, Aberdeen, University of Edinburgh, etc. Beyond Europe collaboration, in USA, Colorado School of Mines, Harvard University, University of Colorado, Australia, Newcastle, University of Australia, University of Western Australia, Queensland, University of Australia, Asia, Tokyo, University in Japan, Kyoto University in Japan, Kansai University in Japan, etc. Funding. Participation to more than 16 projects from since 2007. Coordination of more than 20 funded research projects. Research, 30 active researchers coming from different backgrounds, such as engineers, physics, survival engineers, geologists, archaeologists, etc., working in 6 different thematic research areas of the lab. Provide 120 positions since 2007, more than 100 dissertations, PhD supervision, more than 15 since 2007. The group has received funding for over 16 competitive research programs since 2007. First, Cyprus Research Promotion Foundation from European Union and industry. Our application activities funded projects are archaeology, marine spatial planning, water resorts, forestry, transport, navigation, defense security, mapping, real estate, education. Here you can see the forestry mapping. Here is a mapping of bird areas in Solear, a small village in Cyprus, using Sentinel-2. Water quality monitoring in inland waters. integration of spectroscopy, microsensor technology, remote sensing, satellite imagery, retrieval of surface, reflectance, temperature, spectroradiometric measurements, retrieval of ground reflectance, microsensor, soil moisture, temperature, RH, etc., irrigation models. And also cloud interaction. Flood risk, integrate use of satellite remote sensing and hydraulic modeling for the flood risk assessment at the catchment scale in Cyprus. Main marine spatial planning. Main aim of the project is the joint development methodology process and suitable implementation framework for marine spatial planning. Urban heat. Study the urban heat island effect in Cyprus based on both multi-temporal satellite and meteorological data. Earth observation for cultural heritage, detection, management, protection. Our proposed equation from a GeoEye example. Ilis archaeological site in Greece, detection of unexcavated buried remains. The development of a geospatial early warning decision support system that will be connected to emergency operation centers and operational resources. Also, we have DCAT software. It's made up 3 emergency management phase. First one, early warning. Secondly, impact assessment. And thirdly, emergency management, mitigation of impact. End user of the software is Cyprus Civil Defense. In addition, the group has strong expertise in atmospheric connection methods, development and assessment. EU opportunities for widening excellence. Widening consists of 3 main actions: teaming, twinning, and ERA chairs. ERA chair stands for excellent to institution, outstanding academies with proven research excellence and management skill with potential for research excellence. Twinning stands for institutional networking, transfer of knowledge. Teaming means institution building. Teaming projects create new or update existing centers of excellence in wider countries through a coupling process with leading scientific institutions. The group is coordinate a twinning project, Remote Sensing Archaeological Center of Excellence, Athena. The center aims to be in close collaboration with both national as well as international research institutes and stakeholders, providing integrated remote sensing services and solutions in the area of the Eastern Mediterranean. The new perspectives on archaeological and cultural heritage in the region will position Athena as center of knowledge and standard lab in the field of remote sensing of archaeology. And now the teaming project, the pathway towards to a center of excellence. First, remote sensing studies in Cyprus, Cyprus University Technology collaborations, EXCELSIOR phase 1 business plan, and phase 2 Center of Excellence Earth observations. EXCELSIOR structure, WP1 project management, WP2 strategy positioning, WP3 outreach and dissemination, WP4 formulation of the business plan. The existing remote sensing and environment and group Eratosthenes being the only established laboratory in Cyprus for space-based Earth observation, possess significant experience on Earth observation remote sensing as well as sophisticated instruments and models that are needed to systematically observe, understand, protect, monitor, and predict environment parameters in land, water, and air. The interaction of novel technologies in the areas of remote sensing and space-based Earth observation techniques, along with the use of GIS, can assist in a more sustainable and systematic monitoring of areas of interest and on-time detection of risks, with the ultimate goal to protect the environment, providing critical information through end-user products, not only to policy makers and other local, national, and regional authorities, but also to citizens and tourists. Why space technologies? Research, products, and services generated by space technologies has the capacity to mobilize and development to boost the economies not only in Cyprus, but in the entire Middle East region. The satellite data requires processing and, more importantly, fine-tuning towards the needs to the local user and their specific context in all branches of environment monitoring, including climate change and emergency management. The Center of Excellence will provide added value both in Cyprus and in Europe by strategically positioning itself as a leader in space industry services in the region as a result of its focus on remote sensing, Earth observation and satellite technology, its advancements in environment science, and through its alignment with the smart specialization strategy of Cyprus. Why Cyprus? Cyprus' unique geostrategic position can support Earth observation from satellite programs in 3 continents and provide valuable services in the satellite calibration and validation process. Eratosthenes, with its expertise and infrastructure, prospectively its own satellite receiving station and state-of-the-art ground-based remote sensing station, could further complete the existing network of international ground stations. The horizontal priorities of the Eratosthenes are to promote sustainable development based on exploration of natural resources in the respect and safeguard of the environment, to extend innovation in the field of satellite remote sensing techniques and their integration with other geospatial data, to promote and enhance use of ICT-based tools and services oriented towards monitoring and protection of the environment. The vertical priorities of the Eratosthenes are to promote knowledge on general benefits derived for space-based products and services for non-space sector, to experiment and promote basic and applied research in the domain of remote sensing technology for the benefits of environment monitoring, to optimize the citizen experience in terms of everyday space-based ICT systematic services and application. This is the Eratosthenes Center of Excellence. Expected impact on national economy and society, providing new job opportunities for highly engaged researchers in Cyprus, establish new departments of the center that will improve and expand current research capabilities, foster mobility among researchers with other universities, research centers, and private sector, strengthen the relation with industrial sector through specific agreement, develop and disseminate integration tools to fully exploit the use of multiple remote sensing techniques and ground-based stations, in particular for the calibration, validation, integration of satellite sensor, maintain and enhance capacity of training the field of EO, particularly direct to new users, including those from non-EU developing countries. The way the upgrading of the existing Eratosthenes into a Center of Excellence will be accomplished through a close interaction with selection of key partners in DLR, NOA, robots, by taking advantage of their excellence in the topics addressed by the project. There is a strong collaboration between the partners for the last 5 to 10 years. EXCELSIOR will take full advantage of such partnership with EU leaders already well-founded on their proven efficient collaboration through existing long-standing partnerships in other EU-funded and ESFRI projects. Networking combined with experience in proposal preparation, coordination and strong links, as well as deep engagement with different stakeholders in the key of continuous funding, attraction, maintenance, and enhancement of capacities. Supporting of phase 1. Propose part of the business plans, ground receiving station in Cyprus, infrastructure for hub, provides services in the Eastern Mediterranean, Middle East and North Africa. Vision. The new center to be the top leading one in the Eastern Mid region in Earth observation. Strong collaboration with partners. The host top scientists in Earth observation. To be sustainable center through European national funds to provide products and services. Cyprus to be on the European map on Earth observation. Establishment of respective research infrastructure of Cyprus could further complete the existing network of international ground stations. Next step, develop a business plan for promoting further the existing group to excellent researcher. The business plans will be submitted for evaluation to the Horizon 2020 framework for research and innovation during phase 2 of the team program. Sinking funding of 15 million euros for a period of 5 till 7 years, with the possibility of the additional equal amount of national co-funding for a period of 15 years, plus 4 million from Cyprus University of Technology, equal 35 million euros. Join us on this phase. Think for collaboration in Earth observation in natural and military environment, hazard, water resources, etc. Think for future collaboration in the Eastern Mid region, such as energy. This is one of the future activities of the upgraded center. Okay. This is the photo from the 5th International Conference on Remote Sensing 2017. Thank you for your attention. Please free to contact us at our email info@excelsion2020.eu or visit our website for further questions www.excelsion2020.eu. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Один вопрос? Амация? No? Thank you.